Okay, Charles LeBlanc here. I never made it public too much. I showed up in court this morning, and that was to appeal the decision that Judge Garnett has ruled against me for my lawsuit that I put against the Fredericton Police Force for labeling me, falsely accusing me of exploiting children for sex. Now, there's no lawyer here in this city. It's very, very difficult to find a lawyer when, I'm not going to go into no details. But anyway, so I showed up there this morning. And Judge Garnett, she reached a decision. It wasn't on the CBC website, and she really, she's the one that said we must tame the internet, and let's just say she wasn't very nice. There's a lot of issues which I haven't made any videos because I'll let the process just work itself out. So I had a lawyer, but then in the last minute, lawyer couldn't make it. So I showed up in front of Judge Richard this morning. Nice guy, open, very polite. I was nervous. Of course, I'm not a lawyer. But I asked for a extension for 45 days to really, we're going to get to the bottom of this. Maybe start a fundraiser for a lawyer, get the transcript, really push this issue. And I'm very, very pleased that Judge Richard really, he really understood about people that are forced to represent, self-representation, to represent themselves. They don't know the language of the courts. And he really went overboard. He gave me an extra hand to understand really what was going on. So now I got to find a lawyer, and I'm going to take responsibility. Take responsibility. Now, this is Jeffrey Carlton, his name, used to be the clerk. He's dead now. And I remember Jeffrey Carlton was the court. And when I first approached with the lawsuit, I had to pay $50 or something. And he looked at me and he says, when you sue, it comes with costs and responsibilities. Costs and responsibilities. And you know what? I was upset when he told me that. I was saying, they sort of like downgraded me that I didn't have any responsibility. And of course, I wasn't rich to be able to afford a lawyer. So, if you look at it now, he's right. He's right. I'm taking responsibility. I asked for 45 days extension, and he said, I'll do better than that. I'll give you till March the 26th. So this appeal really has nothing to do with the Fredericton police. It has nothing to do with the pedophile thing. This is to appeal the way I was treated in a court of law. It's not me, it's the way people, when they're done wrong and they have no lawyer and they want to tell the court, to have the court to listen to people like me with mental issues or the working poor. So it turned out good. I got more than what I wanted till March the 26th. And you know what? There might be some justice for the less fortunate and people with mental illness after all. Stay tuned.